Hi, PG with MarineMax of Houston. I'm on board the new 2019 240 Dauntless Pro by Boston Whaler. Like all whalers, this boat's unsinkable, but this one's got some awesome other new features. We got great seating in the back. We have backrests that actually plug into the optional rod holders. Big bait well, live well. Notice we have an Atlas jack plate on the back. This is a good shallow draft boat, but it'll still take in some pretty rough seas. Check out the Yeti Cooler, deluxe leaning post, digital controls, nice stereo system. This boat's got a great head compartment on it as well as we move forward. Another bait well up front. And underneath these loungers, you have rod boxes and more fish storage, more gear storage. We've even got an electric trolling motor on the front of this one. All of these cushions are removable, which will give you a non-skid fishing platform underneath. But there's something extra special about this Pro model. Check this out. We've got an upper station, so you can spot those reds and any other thing you're fishing for in the shallows. Still have your conventional lower station and an upper station. Y'all have got to come check this boat out. It's MarineMax in Houston, and I'm PG. Be glad to help you.